Yeah, I'm the lyric genie. I can make your dad disappear like Houdini while sitting here with Michael eating some fine linguine. Jacob, Mr. Jacabre. If I really wanted to, I could make beats for Broadway. But hey, stop being so gay every day. How about trying something else to say instead of ha ha ha? Clap, clap, clap while you sit there and fap your little cap. My rap's so wavy like the oceans. Your dad ran away from you with the swiftness potion. How about you go watch some Roblox porn with your lotion? I lay out all these lines and all you do is repeat. By the way, your breath smells like feet. Stop sitting there acting all you stiff and petite. Your stupid memes need to deplete.